following those breaking developments in the Daryl Roberts murder trial today.
News 12's Robert Hanley attended the proceedings today as the jury continued their deliberations. He joins us live in the studio with an update. Robert?
Well, Kay, Daryl Roberts is accused of killing Christopher Wright on a Chattanooga sidewalk in September of last year. The court filled this afternoon to discuss. Roberts admitted to shooting Christopher Wright, but claimed he was provoked after Wright used multiple racial slurs towards him. His defense argued the shooting was a sudden emotional reaction, seeking a lesser charge of voluntary manslaughter. After a brief delay due to technical difficulties, the jury convicted Roberts of second-degree murder.
Respect to count 1 of premeditation 316495, we the jury find the defendant Daryl Denopoulos Roberts guilty of second-degree murder.
Do either side require further polling the jury?
No, Judge. No.
Prosecutors countered, saying Roberts acted with intent. Assistant DA Paul Moyle argued Roberts, quote, centered himself before firing, calling the act calculated. The courtroom grew tense during closing arguments, with multiple objects raised. After finding Roberts guilty of murder, the jury entered Phase 2, where they also convicted him of unlawful possession of a firearm with a prior felony.
Mr. Roberts, sitting as 13th juror, and we find that we agree with the jury that you are guilty of count 2, being a felon in possession of a firearm, and we'll set that sentencing date at some point, probably 60 days now.
As the trial came to a close, tensions were high inside the courtroom. Both sides made their final statements, and with the verdicts delivered, the room emptied, leaving behind a mix of emotions. Family members of both the victim and the defendant gathered outside, reflecting on the intense proceedings. The case now moves toward both sentences, with dates set at the end of May and at the end of July. We will continue to follow any new developments in the case. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Robert Hanley, News 12.